Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Sport Appearance package. We do get rear park sensing in the back, backup camera, the nice bed, you got tie downs down there, which is always pretty handy. We got the nice carbonized gray at the bottom here, thanks to the Sport Appearance package. Nice looking rims, mud flaps on the rear and front, blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we got some nice recovery hooks, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior, floor mats, carpeted interior, plenty of door space in the back with some vinyling on the door. We got under seat storage as well with storage, USB-C, and cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat, manual passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 28 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, cruise control with lane centering, digital speedometer. We do get my view with trip and fuel, off-road, towing, audio, phone, navigation, settings, and vehicle maintenance. To memory, we've got our gear select, parking brake, auto stop those dirt, drive modes, and traction, 4-wheel drives, cup holders. We got some storage here, got a nice little phone slot, USB-C with storage below. You get a little 12-volt down there. Got your basic climate controls right here with your hazards, volume, fan speed, storage below, above, and a little storage cubby on the dash with a nice big infotainment system here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, climate controls at the bottom. We do get your phone capabilities, so you can connect your phone here. You got navigation, which is always pretty handy, zoom in and out, go into 3D, you can search, your media controls, and you do get tow and haul. Just let it load. Pretty nice. No active trailer, you can add a trailer and you can go for your checklist. Pretty easy to use. And you got all your vehicle settings such as auto hold and your lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE24099, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.